This could be the car for you. The 2022 Jaguar F-Pace. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Take a moment to explore this refined and spacious Jaguar F-Pace, the midsize luxury crossover that brings all-wheel drive capability, driver assist safety features, distinctive style, and motorsport soul to every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, navigation system, heated mirrors, power liftgate, power passenger seat. Performance blends beautifully with practicality in this spirited F-Pace. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.